Right now, your hardest-to-reach proprietary code is being vacuumed up. AI scrapers are scouring the web, ingesting your logic to train models that will eventually compete with you. And here's the kicker. Standard licensing agreements? They can't stop them. Once that code is in a training set, the paper trail vanishes. But what if you could force these models to swallow a permanent digital signature? A marker that proves ownership even after the code is cloned or repurposed. Today, we're going dark. We're coding invisible, cryptographically signed watermarks directly into HTML meta tags to track your code across the global web. Why meta tags? Think of them as the perfect Trojan horse. Most scrapers are designed to be, quote, context-aware. To understand what a page is about, they must parse the metadata. While they might strip comments or obfuscate variable names, they often leave meta tags untouched, because those tags provide the SEO and categorization data they need to index the content correctly. By embedding our watermark here, we aren't just hiding it in the junk of the file. We are placing it in the very place the scraper is trained to look for meaning. It's hiding in plain sight. Here's the architecture of the invisible signature. We aren't just typing property of Bali into the header. That's too easy to find and delete. Step 1. The cryptographic key. We start with an asymmetric key pair. You keep the private key secure. The public key is used to generate the hash. Step 2. The payload. We take a unique identifier, like a project UUID, and sign it. This creates a base 64 encoded string that looks like any other API key or tracking token to the untrained eye. The beauty of this method? Persistence. Even if someone clones your repo or mirrors your site, that meta tag travels with it. By running a global search and verify script, or checking the training data of open source models, you can look for your specific cryptographic signature. It doesn't just tell you that someone copied you. It proves it with cryptographic certainty. It changes the conversation from, "This looks like my code," to, "Here is the signature only I could have generated." AI is changing the rules of ownership. If the laws can't keep up, we have to build the enforcement ourselves. Are we entering an era where every line of code needs a fingerprint? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'm Bali, and this is DevTech. I'll see you in the next one.